the part 3 video. So if you haven't seen the last video, the link is down below. We showed and shared all the details to all the items that I purchased for this new room. So if you're interested in that, check it out. Now for today's video, we are decorating the room. We are actually going to put the wallpaper up. We are going to set up the chair. We're just gonna put all the decor where it belongs, see where it looks good, and then we'll share the final reveal to the room after. I'm excited, I love decorating, so let's do this. The room is a mess right now. I'll show you guys it, but first things first, I need to move this pink chair out of this room because we no longer need it. Ryan over there is starting on the chair right here, the new one. He's gonna set that up, and I'm gonna do all the easy stuff, just hang in the frames, put in the plants where they belong. Yeah, it should be fun.
You okay?
Yeah. This is the mess right now. Oh my god, it looks like a disaster. So here's the before, you guys. I need to organize this madness. All right, I have my pillow inserts here. I'm gonna put those little polka dotted covers on. So here are the pillows all done. Now I'm just gonna open up these just to see how big they are. And maybe I'll put one by the vanity. Ooh, they are pretty big. Ryan's still working on the cherries going in. I think you're almost done though, no?
Yeah.
He's almost done, so it's pretty easy to put together. It barely fits perfectly. I just shove it. I put it right over there. It barely fits perfectly. And I think for now, when I'm not using the mirror, I'm just gonna put it right there. That way I still can access that, no problem. Nothing's blocking it. I like it. Maybe I'll move it up there actually. Just switch the two. Let's see. I think I like this setup better. You can kind of see me. But yeah, I've decided to put the mirror at the top. Then I have my little bin, and then I have that bin. Cute. And I can like check myself out here. So for this space, it's pretty much done. I just need to put the posters up because that's a blank wall.
Hey.
This is quite the setup you got going on, babe.
What?
I like how you like laid it like that. It's very convenient. Well, that didn't work.
There you go.
Look at it. It's all set. Let me sit on it. Ooh, it's nice. It's cool. We have a new chair, buddy.
Alright.
Cool. Well, now I gotta fix this photo frame situation. Too much. It's perfect. It's such a good color. Look at you, you're beautiful. Okay, try to hang it up. Got my hammer and I got my nail. Okay.
Good lord. I'll tell you, lift it up more. Alright, go Go straight now. I lift it up a little bit more. Alright.
There? Oh, you're right. Okay. He got the leveler out because he doesn't think it's straight, but I think it's straight.
It's kind of straight.
It's straight, Ryan.
It's
what if the whole world is crooked?
Well, no, it's not straight.
Come on!
Why does his name look weird in like writing? I don't know.
No.
I'm just testing it.
Oh my god. I'm hanging up the other one.
I really don't think you're supposed to be standing on that.
Like right
Here.
here. Wow! Look! Okay, Ryan, you don't need to check the leveler. You're ridiculous.
It's not that straight.
It looks straight to me. So this is done. So cute. I'm just gonna put the plant somewhere for now. It's kind of just been hanging out right here. And I think I might keep it there. It's simple. I like the blue and green contrast going on there. What should we do next? I think next we should we can hang up the little green plant. I'm thinking I want the plant right there. Kind of on the side of the TV. See if we can hook this one up.
You want me to do it? Like this, like this, like this. Ready?
Okay.
It's nice.
Wow, we did it. It's so cute.
It is cool.
This is cool, I like this. Okay, that plant's done. Now, we're gonna, what are we gonna do? Should we tackle the wallpaper now? I've kind of been afraid of it, but it's gotta go up.
Tackle the wallpaper?
Yeah, so.
Oh, where?
The wallpaper is gonna go on this wall right here. It's gonna be really hard to film from that angle, I'm sorry guys, but I will try my best. Wallpaper right there, and then on the IKEA drawer.
Okay.
Let's do it, babe.
Yes.
First, we need to move all this stuff. So we're working with this wall. Gotta move this too, just back.
You need help?
I can do it.
You sure?
No. I can't. That should be good. Cool. Let's start. It was honestly so easy to apply and we didn't need to use the little thing to like do this.
You squeaky?
Yeah. Let me make sure it's good and we'll do the other side. Yes, so easy. I definitely recommend wallpaper if you want like some fun in your room. Here it is, guys. Wow, it's so cool. And we honestly didn't even do it all the way just because the bed's gonna go right there. You can already see it. And this nightstand's gonna go right there. But it's the coolest, most simplest thing ever. I can move the nightstand.
No.
Perfect. Let's do the IKEA drawer. All right, got a little problem. We don't have enough wallpaper for the IKEA drawer sides. I was gonna do that side of it and the other side, but there's not enough. However, I thought of a new idea. You see that white rug, babe, on top?
Yeah.
Let's just take that off. So let me show you guys. There's a white rug on top of the IKEA drawer right now. I say we take it off, no more rug there, and we put the wallpaper on top of it.
Thank you.
Instead of the sides. And then that remaining wallpaper we have left from doing that, we put behind the rest of the bed. I think it's still gonna showcase the pattern on the IKEA drawer. And also, remember I was saying I might wanna get another IKEA drawer. So if I do get another one to put next to it for Ryan, like you wouldn't even see the pattern anyways. So, I think it's a good move. And we'll just move the rug somewhere else. Let's do it. So we finally got the wallpaper on. This was much more difficult. You will need 2 people if you're gonna plan on doing something like this. The wall, I guess you need 2 people there, but it's not as intense. He's getting all the extra bubbles out because there are a few you can see. Luckily we do have that. It doesn't come with it, you will have to buy that separately, but it looks really cool. And I like to have something on top of all my dressers usually, whether it's a wallpaper now or a rug, just to keep it looking nice and fresh underneath. And I do like this more than just a plain white surface, so it works out. Pudgy's watching you. Good job, Dad. We are almost done once we finish this little wallpaper situation. What else do we have to do? I think we have to hang out one more thing, put up one more plant. I'll set up the bed, make the pillows look all nice and cute. I think we're gonna be done. All right, so I'm trying to decide which one I want to go on this wall. That's where it's going. And I feel like this, it's really pretty, but it's just too much going on. I mean, maybe not to you guys, but I feel like, I don't know, there's a lot more going on with that as the background versus just a quote. Like, it's just flat and pink, and I feel like this just looks much better. And I could always get another frame for that one and do something with it later. I just don't know where. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in the frame now and we're gonna hang it up. I also have this thing that I'm also gonna hang up in the same area, but it's just chilling right here. This is actually really old. I got this from the 99-cent store. Can you believe that? But it definitely was not 99 cents. I think it was like $4.99, but it was still a really good purchase there. I know they have them at Target as well. But yeah, this one works pretty good. So that and that will be hung up on that. Alright guys, I hung them up by myself. Ryan is eating right now, so he couldn't really help me with this part, but it is okay because I did it and it looks so amazing. I have You Got This on this one because it was for an assignment in yoga. I know it's kind of like what, but it was. And then we have this one, Make Things Happen, up there. I love it. I love the colors, pretty neutral and simple. I absolutely love this wall. It came out so good. All right guys, I just filled this little glass thing. This is from literally Dollar Tree, and so is everything inside of it. There's a couple of shells. It comes in a huge pack for $1. All these little pebble things, all Dollar Tree right there. But I already showed you guys these, and if you saw my last video, you know where they are from and how much they are and everything. So I thought I would put this together to make something because I didn't know what to do with those, so I just DIY'd this right now. And I'm thinking maybe we could put it right by the doggies so they feel like they have some plant life going on for them. Is that cute? I don't know. I think it's pretty cute. I know, it took all day to do this. What do you think?
Looks awesome. That looks really cool.
Ooh, you using the mirror?
I'm ugly.
Don't say that.
No, I'm beautiful.
That's cute.
I know, right? It's really cute for them. All right, guys. It took us how long to finally complete all this?
Can I play zombies?
It's not why I asked you.
5 hours, about
5 hours? 4 hours, and we're completely done. So I'm gonna give you a quick little room tour and show you what I like, the final touches, it all coming together. The room is officially done pretty much. So let's start the mini room tour. end of the room transformation stuff. Let me know if you like the new room, if you missed the old room. I don't. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. I'm done. You like the new room, Pudge? You don't care?
What?
What the?
It's bothering me.
You're
like,
crazy.
It's like thick and I don't know.
Well, I won't be using that brush again. You really like that mirror.
It's nice.
He just farted. It's beautiful.
Now we need one a pumpkin. Let's see how level your head is. Oh my god, it's actually level. Christ, Pattiya.
So stupid.